In this video, I'm sharing my secret formula to finding your perfect niche. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. As you begin to get your recruiting agency off of the ground, one of the many questions that you'll probably have is, how do you find your niche? Well, it can actually be a pretty simple process contingent on how intentional you are in regards to viewing your niche. There are three main components that you should consider when you're trying to come up with what your niche is: passion, profit, and potential. Now, passion is associated with what it is that you enjoy, as well as what you would consider to be your area of expertise. You want to ensure that the niche that you focus on is one where you can add value as well as make an impact. Now, profit is of course associated with money, and the question that you want to ask yourself is, what is the market value for the roles that you'll be recruiting for? If it's high, meaning high salaries, then how many roles do you actually have to fill in order to be able to hit your monthly target? That could mean maybe 1 or 2 roles, contingent on how high the salaries are. But if it's more entry-level roles, then that could mean you having to fill more positions, maybe upwards of 20, because in that same time frame, you're going to have to compensate for the fact that the salaries are lower for those roles. And while having a passion in making an impact is extremely important, you also have to make a living, so profit is extremely important to this equation. Now, if you're enjoying the content so far, then be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my new videos that drop weekly. As well as, if you are not in my Facebook group, then I'll leave that link down below in the description box. We are in there talking all things recruiting. Lastly, potential has to do with scalability, meaning how scalable is your niche? Are there opportunities for you to be able to expand to other areas in the future? And if the opportunity to expand or scale is minimal, then you may want to rethink what the niche is that you actually choose to focus on. So to tie it all together, my secret formula in regards to finding your perfect niche is passion plus profit plus potential equals your niche. And it's important to note that you can't have one element without the other. They all work together in order to be able to form a niche that is going to be able to be successful for you. And as always, when you're starting a business, whether it's a recruiting agency or another type of business, you want to make sure that you have a short-term as well as a long-term lens on. This is ultimately going to be your secret in regards to how you'll be able to be successful in the longevity of your business. Well, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.